So many people say they can't find the life purpose. They don't know why they are here on this earth. I think the first problem is most people think that their life purpose is something they need to find like a needle in a hashtag or a mathematical problem you can solve to figure out which your life all about. Your purpose is not hiding behind a bush. Your purpose no, is not hiding, not a problem to solve. It is waiting for you to become more present, in more conscious. I want to tell you, everyone has purpose on this earth, but your purpose is not coming to you through your thoughts. You cannot think it into existence. Don't overthink. Your purpose cannot be found using brain power or solving a mathematical equation. Your purpose is not going to come to you through your brain. It can only through your heart. It can only through your heart, your institution, and for that happen, you need to be present. You need to live in the present moment. Give your fullest attention, your best efforts to each present moment, giving your full attention and very best action in each moment will lead to each next best moment. It will lead to expansion and growth in your life, which will ultimately lead you to many things you love doing, and soon you will understand what your purpose really is. But don't rush. You don't stress over it. No purpose is coming through your stress. No purpose is rushing through you because you're unconscious. Do your things and do it to the best of your ability in our movement, no matter what is. If it is taking out the trash that your purpose right now it better than anyone and be present. If helping a million people change their lives, do it, but do it with presence. Everyone is different. Your mind presence might be to be a greater parent. Maybe your brain life purpose is to help these less unfortunate to stand up for injustice that matter to you. It doesn't matter what is, as long as you know it is right for you. When you discover that thing which you must do, it will take on a life of its own. You will discover yourself to be greater than anything you ever expect yourself. You continue searching for it. You missing out on living, and when you miss out a living in this moment, you miss out on creating your best moment, which lead to that purpose. You might say that have a purpose in a void. Your purpose might be to help other out of depression. Your why might be because you have been there yourself or lost someone you love to depression. Your purpose might be to give your children love and presence. Your why might be because you didn't receive it yourself, because you know the opposite side and don't want that for anyone. Your purpose and your why might have nothing to do with each other. Your why might be your family, your legacy, something that has nothing to do with the world. You do what that must from you. It is the reason. If your purpose is meaningful and your why is strong, nothing will stop. Find that purpose, get quiet. find that purpose there, get quiet. Understand why you must. You